Let's see this question. We want to solve for x. The denominator is a very big number, right? 2022, 2023, 2024. Usually we make a common denominators, but it's too much calculation. We don't want to do that. So let's observe. Let's observe. So the denominator, so 3 denominators differ by 1. So this is under 2022, you know, 1 more than 2023 is 1 more than 2022. 2024 is 1 more than 2023. Then we observe the numerators. By 2x minus 6, 2x minus 5. So 1 more. Then 2x minus 4, 1 more. Okay. So let's do this. So let's move these 3 to the left-hand side. Right? Let's make this hand side to be 0. So we subtract 3 from one side. We subtract 1 from here. We subtract 1 from here. We subtract 1 from here. Oops. So then in the numerator we see, so this one will be 2022 divided by 2022, right? Because we need a common denominator for this. Then we minus 2022 here. So this minus 1 is minus 2022 divides itself. So similarly, this numerator, so forget about this -1. The numerator we subtract 2023. Did you see something, you know, miraculously happening? The numerator minus 2024. By doing this, so we have -6 minus 2022. That's 2x minus 2028. And similarly for the second one, -5 minus 2023, the same thing. So get 2x minus 2028. Similarly for -4 minus 2024, that's 2x minus 2028. So 2x minus 2028 becomes a common factor of those 3 terms. So we can factor out 2x minus 2028. Then the first term left with 1 over 2022. The second term left with 1 over 2023. The third term left with 2024. And of course, adding those 3 numbers won't be 0. Right? Because, you know, what are we using here? We're using 0 properties. Because we have 2 factors on the left-hand side, and we have 0 on the right-hand side. That means this one has to be 0, right? Because this will never be 0. This factor will never be 0. And we don't have to calculate it. You see, that's the beautiful thing about this. We don't have to calculate. We don't have to make a common denominators. As long as we know this is not equal to 0, we just forget about this. So that means this term is 0. If this term is 0, that means 2x equals to 2028. Then divide by 2 on both sides, that means x equals to 1014. Right? 1, 0, 1, 4. Okay, so this is a little bit sloppy. I have a write a neat version of it. Let me show that. Right, so we move 3 from the right-hand side to the left-hand side. We split into 3 -1s, -1, -1, -1. Then we make a common, the first one is 2022 divides itself. The second one is 2023 divides itself. And the third one is 2024 divides itself. Then we can combine the common denominators, right? So then we see -6 minus 2022, -5 minus 2023, -4 minus 2024 is all negative 2028. So 2x minus 2028 becomes a common factor of those 3 terms. So we factor out, and then we use 0 property because right-hand side is 0. So that means 2x minus 2028 is 0. So we get an answer 1014. So this way will save us a lot of energy and time.